In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a photo book in Canva, and we're going to do it in just 5 minutes. Creating a photo book is a fantastic way to cherish your memories, and Canva offers an intuitive platform to help you put it all together seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First, you want to begin by opening Canva on your web browser. Once you're there, head to the search bar at the top of the page and type in photo book. This will pull up a variety of template options available for photo books. Now, take your time to browse through these templates. Each comes with a different style and number of pages, so make sure to hover over each one to explore the number of pages it includes and see which best suits your needs. This small step ensures that the design matches your vision right from the start and saves time later on. After finding a template you like, simply click on it and you will find an option that says Customize this template. This is where the fun truly begins. Clicking on this will open up the template in a new design window where you can start personalizing your photo book. Next, let's focus on adding your personal touch to this template by incorporating your images. On the left side of the design window, you will see a menu with different features you can use. Click on the Uploads tab, which is where you can upload your own images from your device. Whether you're using special family photos, vacation snaps, or professional images, simply drag and drop your images into this window and they will appear in your Uploads section. Now comes the exciting part, customizing your photo book with those cherished memories. To replace the current images in the template with your own, you just need to drag and drop your uploaded images right onto the template's photos. This step is super simple and Canva makes it easy by automatically adjusting the images to fit perfectly within the existing frames. Feel free to play around with the layout and experiment by trying out different combinations to create a visual story that resonates with you. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted photo book in Canva in just a few minutes. Remember that you can also modify text, adjust colors, and add additional graphics or elements to add more personality to your photo book. When you're satisfied with your design, you can download your photo book as a PDF or share it online with family and friends. This creative process not only preserves your memories but also lets you relive them in a way that's unique to you. So go ahead and give it a try today and enjoy the process of bringing your memories to life in a beautiful photo book.